Hello and welcome back to Space Time with Robert. I'm Robert, and we've got the moon again. A nice, sweet crescent moon. Ooh, look at that. And I'm hoping that this video is going to be a little bit better than the last two. Been struggling with the quality lately. I don't know what's causing it to go down. I'm thinking it's the length of the video, so we'll try and keep this to like 15 minutes and see if that does something. I've also done a ton of other stuff. A very unscientific approach, but hey, how's it going, everybody? This is the moon. And this time we got a ×3 Barlow lens hooked up, so we're really zoomed in. And again, we're looking through Carl, our Apertura 8010 telescope, the 10-inch Dobsonian. And those are just very pretty craters. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, that's so cool. Much clearer than it was last night, too. Doesn't seem like we're looking through as much water vapor this time. Oh, whoa, check out this crater down here. Hang on. All right, it's coming into the middle of the view. It's got a sweet shadow going along it. That is so cool. Ooh, oh man, that looks so cool down here. Whoa, where are we going? Wowzers, look at all those shadows in there. I love how the shadows show you how tall some of the ridges are. I agree, Cheyenne. It's like you could do trigonometry from here, right? That'd be really... I think actually, I don't know who it was, but someone actually did try and measure the mountain peaks of the moon using the shadows. Yeah, we are looking at a crescent moon. I believe it's a waxing... Oh, sorry, it's all shaky. Waxing crescent moon. That means it's growing, right? It's getting bigger. Am I wrong? Am I crazy? Probably. I feel like we didn't see as much of the moon as we did... as we did last night. We're seeing more of it tonight, so I think it's getting bigger. That is some hardcore trigonometry. Wow, I just love that little ridge. It's like a little hill in the Maria down there, right along the mountain edge. That's so cool looking. Hello from Houston. Hey, Joe's Low. How's it going? Jose. My bad, sorry. Beautiful craters. Cool. It looks like we're staying in focus pretty well. I just collimated the telescope before we did this. And this telescope, I gotta say, it really holds collimation well. From all the telescopes that I've traveled with in the backseat, you know, just banging around all the time. Whoa, check out that! That's a canyon! I see a canyon just shooting right across there. Wow. Anyone else see that to the upper left there? Let's see, let me get back in center. All right, canyon coming up. It's kind of hard to see. It's definitely pocketed with craters all along it, but it looks like just a crack in the lunar surface. That's awesome. Welcome to the moon. I love the craters right along the little wispy edges here. Ooh, any mountain peaks? Oh, there's one. Hey, look at that. I see. Oh, it's got a little brother following behind it. That's awesome. Little mountain peaks. We see you catching that sunlight. That's so cool. right. I think I'm going to zoom out here in a second and see if I can catch the earth shine that's happening right now. I'll take off the filters and all that stuff, and we'll just be really zoomed out. We'll just enjoy this for a little bit longer. That is so cool. Look at that one little canyon with a shadow behind it, kind of snaking along there. Water there once, you think? Queen Mick? I think there's water there now, actually, but I don't know if there was ever actually flowing water on the lunar surface. Hendra Jr. 75, have you ever seen kind of object that hit the surface of the moon? I have not, unfortunately. There was an incident that was recorded by amateur astronomers that were watching the moon during the lunar eclipse of, I want to say, January 2019. And they saw a collision happen, actually. Something crashed into the moon, and they got it recorded. You can go check out those photos. It's like a little time-lapse photo online. Look up lunar eclipse collision, I think, or impact, and you'll probably find it. It's really cool that they did that. But I have not, unfortunately. Not yet, at least. It'd be cool if we got it live, right? Just big old collision happening. We could actually see a crater form one day. I mean, if we do this for, a couple billion years, it's bound to happen, right? What makes the edges of the image on the givet that waving the movements almost like heat waves? Aha, that is the turbulence in our atmosphere. So as the light from the moon is coming through our atmosphere, it's getting warped and distorted because of the water vapor that's in the atmosphere and other molecules as well. And so as the light passes through it, it's going to just get a little jarbled, much like how light traveling through water does that. If you put a spoon in a cup of water, you'll notice that the spoon bends a little bit, and that's refraction. That's the light that's coming off the spoon bending and blah, blah, blah because of the water. And so that's what's happening here. And it's like a mirage, right? That's what my coworker described it as last night, which I thought was a great description. So another way to think about it is, say it's a really hot day and you're looking out on the road and you can see the heat coming off the road and you're trying to look at something that's far away and you got that mirage thing happening. So yeah, sorry, I guess, we're almost out of time. Okay, so the last part of that is heat, is the actual temperature can be getting in front of the telescope as well. So if I'm looking over a building that somebody is cooking some food inside of, or they have a heater going, then that heat will also cause turbulence. So there's another factor involved as well that I forgot to mention. And actually, I think we're dealing more with the heat than we are with the light refracting from the water vapor. So I take it back. I just totally, oh boy, lost the moon and lost everyone's train of thought. Okay, so, yeah, this actually looks a lot more like heat. I could show you the other type of refraction that I'm talking about right now. Here, I'm going to zoom out first. Actually, you know what? I'm sorry. I'm going to start a whole new live stream because I want to make sure that this one makes it within that 15-minute window just before I show you Sirius. Let's see. One quick second. Let's see. Can I get Sirius? Can we get Sirius within the time frame? Okay, here should be Sirius coming up here. There it is. There's the star. And let's see if we can see that refracting that I was talking about. Looks like it's out of focus. But yeah, I can kind of see some colors there. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Look at those colors. Okay, so I have it out of focus right now just to highlight that. But you see how it's changing all those colors like that. So that, I believe, is the refracting that I was talking about before, and not the heat. That's the actual water vapor causing that. But I am not, you know, a professional. Don't take my word for it. Do look this stuff up. Hey, how's it going? All right. Well, with that, we're going to wrap it up now, just to make sure that this stays high quality for the stream. I just want to make sure that it does, because that sucks when we lose quality. All right. Thank you so much for joining in. I'll start a whole new one here in just a second, and we'll be zoomed out on the moon. All right. Bye.